Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can install Tkinter in Python. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have Python installed correctly into your device. Now to do this, you just want to simply navigate through your Windows logo, and from here, you then want to search CMD or the command prompt. You want to run this program as an administrator, and from there, it will then show you this command prompt right here. Now to start, you just want to type Python on this window or application, and it will show you the Python version that you have installed into your device. Now to simply install Tkinter, you just want to go ahead and type import Tkinter into the command prompt right here. And if you do this without having any error code, it means that you have successfully installed Tkinter into your Python. But if there is, you just want to go ahead and search for the specific error code and you will be able to fix the problem like this one right here. So if you're having different types of error, you can just go ahead and do this different types of solutions. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.